This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Grohowski and Kim Lam. Well-maintained 2 bedrooms, 1 bath on the 2nd floor and is a corner unit. Spacious floor plan that has a great room that has a sliding door to the screened porch. This condo is well appointed with 2 bedrooms and a nice open kitchen to the living room. Located in a gated community that does not allow rentals, only owner-occupied units. Conveniently located in Orlando, close to public transportation, minutes away from theme parks, airports and beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Grohowski and Kim Lam at 407-406-5322.